Today I'm pressure washing my driveway. I have to do it almost every single year, and the driveway is really dirty. All the runoff from the roof is going right on a driveway, so I have to do it every year. This year I'm kind of sick and tired of doing that, so I'm gonna try to put some kind of a sealer. I think I know what I'm gonna buy from Home Depot, and then I'm gonna put it to the test and apply it on this driveway to see how it's going to protect it. My driveway, it's not really that perfectly flat. As you can see, there's a bunch of rough surfaces. This is Florida, so this is really I've been getting a lot of beating from the sun and from the rain, so I just have to finish pressure washing, then it has to dry for a day or two, and then I'm gonna apply the sealer after a couple of days. Today is Saturday, so for the past couple of days my driveway was getting dry. I pressure washed that maybe 3 days ago, and now today it's time when I'm going to put a sealer. I'm gonna be using the sealer that was recommended to me by my friend, and his driveway looks almost perfect after 3 years. It's cobble coat. I'll give you the description on the bottom of the video. It's a really great product, and you really doesn't have to use much, and it will last you a good couple of years. This is something better than what you can get at Home Depot. This product has wet look appearance and semi-gloss finish. It's perfect for pavers and pool decks, driveways, walkways. As you can see, the product in the bucket, it's totally clear, it's totally transparent. Just gonna stir it for a little bit, and then I'm gonna start painting. Alrighty, and now it's time to start applying that. So it should be thin coats. Of the product, 2 layers. And about half an hour later, the entire driveway is sealed. Now I'm going to wait for everything to dry for about an hour, hour and a half, and I'm going to apply the second coat. You can also see where the surface of the driveway was very porous, which is right here. So the first coat that I applied doesn't create a lot of shine comparing to what I have in this section. So after 2 coats of that sealer, this is how my driveway looks like, and I'm gonna let it dry overnight, and tomorrow I'm just gonna do the water test. I'll show you how it repels the water, and hopefully I'm gonna have a peace of mind for the next couple of years, and I won't have to do any pressure cleaning. So we have a next day. We actually had a rain a few hours after I finished putting the sealer, and everything was fine. Let's do another water test. Let's see how this performs. Ha! And water is beating beautifully, just as I expected. So the product works very well, and I'm hoping it's gonna stay on in this condition for the next minimum 3 years. So that's my project. Took me basically 2 hours of pressure cleaning and another maybe 2 hours of putting the coat. In between, 2 days of drying of the driveway, and basically my driveway looks like new. And for this area, this is about 500 square feet. I used a little bit more than 2 gallons of the sealer. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Goodbye.